Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to export OBJ models with texture. Also, after exporting I will use these models with Elements 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, let's go to File, Import and GLB. I will import GLB files and choose Building, GLB model and Import. Okay, let's change scale with S and click this icon for see shading. So in this time, go to UV editing and click this empty area for see texture. And now go to image, save as and save image here. Then go to file, export and OBJ wavefront and export OBJ file here. Then let's switch to After Effects. Let's create new solid layer, add name Elements 3D and FX Video Copilot element, scene setup and import. So we have 3D model here. Let's choose and open. Click OK and normalize size. And here we go. We have 3D model with texture. Also, let's open here material and we can click here material for C folder. This is my texture. Let's open. Okay, that's good. Texture with UV mapping. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.